Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with a Whirlpool washer flashing the F33 error code in 2025 models, you're in the right place. This pesky error can really put a damper on your laundry day, but don't worry, I'm here to break it down step by step so you can get your machine up and running again quickly. First off, let's talk about what the F33 error means. In Whirlpool washers, this code typically indicates an issue with the pressure switch or the water level detection system. It might be signaling that the washer isn't draining properly or that there's a problem with the pressure hose. Common causes include a clogged drain pump, a kinked hose, or even a faulty sensor, things that can happen over time with regular use. Before you dive in, safety first. Always unplug your washer and turn off the water supply to avoid any accidents. Once that's done, start by checking the drain hose for any blockages. Remove it from the back of the washer and clear out any lint, debris, or soap buildup. If that doesn't fix it, inspect the pressure switch tube for kinks or cracks. You might need to use a multimeter to test the switch itself if you're comfortable with basic tools. If you're not seeing any obvious issues, try resetting your washer. Just unplug it for a few minutes, plug it back in, and run a test cycle. This simple trick works wonders sometimes. If the error persists, it could be a more serious problem like a defective pump or control board, and in that case, it's best to call a professional technician to avoid causing further damage. There you have it, quick and easy steps to tackle the F33 error on your Whirlpool washer. Remember, regular maintenance like cleaning the filters can prevent these issues down the line. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home appliance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.